Hello everyone, here's Hadris with WTI and I want to show you all these note cards. I declare myself a fan of these notes because they are useful for many things. I love taking school notes here and reviewing them after a while to remember. And I also like leaving notes for others. For example, on the fridge to maybe bring a smile to someone. There are so many of them, which I love because I don't have to worry about running out soon. I also like making the shopping list on them so I don't forget anything. And leaving it on the fridge to cross items of when we have them. And my family can participate as well. I've come up with some ideas like writing a nice letter to a friend or drawing something to show my affection. It will be a nice gesture that we could all do. And with these cards, it will be a very pretty detail. And that's my point of view.